Welcome back to We Dared Chemistry. In this lecture, we will spend our brain doing some numericals, so join us whether you are a student or a curious mind. Exercise questions. Problem 2.12 Electrons are emitted with zero velocity from a metal surface when it is exposed to radiation of wavelength 6800 A. Calculate threshold frequency, nu0, and work function, W0, of the metal. We have the following given values. Wavelength is equal to 6800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10 m. Velocity equals 0. Solution. From Planck's equation we know that energy equals h/nu equals h/c/lambda. Substituting the values in the formula. Energy equals 6.626 into 10 raised to the power minus 34 multiplied by 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 divided 6800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. After calculation, energy equals 2.92 into 10 raised to the power 19 joules. Energy equals work function plus kinetic energy. We know that kinetic energy is 0. Work function equals 2.92 into 10 raised to the power 19. Threshold frequency equals c/lambda. Threshold frequency equals 3 into 10 raised to the power 8 divided 6800 into 10 raised to the power minus 10. After calculation, threshold frequency equals 4.41 into 10 raised to the power 14 sec minus 1. Thank you for your attention. Keep studying with We Dared Chemistry.